Good morning, guys. Today I have made this video why we do exercise. So let's begin, and please do not forget to subscribe, like, and share. The sleepy morning. Oh no, what happened to my little superheroes? Maybe they need some healthy energy. I am too tired to play. Me too, I just want to sit and watch cartoons and eat chips all day. The magic race. Let's have a race. Winner gets a surprise. A race, I'm too tired. Ready, set, go! After running. Wow, I feel awake up now. My heart is beating fast. I have a lot of energy. That's because running makes your heart and muscles stronger. The healthy food challenge. Now it is snack time. Where are the chips? Today is challenge is healthy heroes inside the body. I give vitamins. I help your eyes. I make bones strong. I give energy. Healthy food is like superhero fuel. The funniest test. Bebo blow battery. Full power activated. Final lesson. Running keeps our body strong. Healthy foods give us energy. Now I know why we should exercise and eat fruits and vegetables. Let's be healthy heroes every day. Ending song. Run and play, jump all day. Healthy food will light your way. Strong and happy. Yes, it's true. Healthy habits are good for you. Running every day, eat healthy foods. Drink water, stay active and strong. Be healthy, be happy. Happy. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe. Okay, bye bye.